Good day, everyone. This is Dr. Costa, your favorite coach. Now, for those of you in Nigeria, I know a couple of times you've had to shop on AliExpress, Alibaba, you've had to shop on Jumia, like even some vendors' websites. Now, for them to be able to deliver to you, you need to put an address. So that is what we're trying to do today. If you want to shop on the 1688 app, you need to put a delivery address. That delivery address is the address of your agent or the shipping company that you plan to use in China. Do you understand me? So we are going to do it. So today I got an address from a shipping company. So this is the address here. So these first two lines is in Chinese. Now, then this shop A152 first floor, yaga, yaga, yaga. This is the English translation of the address on top because that was how the supplier sends the address to me. Now, these other parts, let me let me select it. This other part, I was the one who added it and I will always advise you add it. Now let me translate it so you know what it is. After translating it, what does it show you? So you click on translate, highlight it, click on translate. It says, please write my name plus phone number in bold on the package. Now, for every time you are filling your address on the 1688 app, or for every time you are sending an address to a supplier, please always tell them to write your name and phone number in bold. Do you understand on the package? Now, so that is what that line is. That's after this Beijing District Guangzhou. This line, I was the one who added it. I always add it to every of my address. So I just go to Google Translate and say, oh, please write my name and my phone number in bold on the package. Then I'll put my name plus the number. Do you understand? I'll add it to the address. So now we're going to set up our address. So I'm going to copy all of this address I have here, including the instruction I give them, because the shipping company will not give you that instruction sometimes. Some of the shipping company, when they give you an address, they will give you, but me, I just always like to add it to be safe, because if you do that, you are going to be, reducing a lot of issues. You understand? Now, okay. So this is my 1688 app. Please look at the app. This is the 1688 app. Okay. Now look down, please. You see 1688. You will see my 1688 app. Can you look down? See 1688. Look at an icon that looks like a crown. The third one is message. The fourth one is your cart. And then the fifth one that looks like a human head down to the shoulder is me. So you click on this fifth one. When you click on it, it will bring you here. Now look up, you have Dr. Augusta. After this Dr. Augusta at the top near the bull head, you have another thing in Chinese. And let's see if we can translate that so you can see what it means. So it means bank shop. Yeah, let me translate it completely. Then open a shop. So like maybe you want to open a shop. You want to be a seller of 1688 if you're in China. Then the next one you have settings. Now, so I like to do this on Android because on the Android phone, there are a lot of apps that you can use to, translate the screen. Do you understand? So you click on remember the bullhead, you have Dr. Augusta, which is the name of my account. Then you have this icon in Chinese at this first line, which is open a shop. Then next to it, you have settings. So you click on settings. Okay. Now, when you click on settings, let's translate this whole page. This is where it brings you to. And so you have buyer settings because I just have a buyer account. I don't have a seller's account. I don't stay in China. You understand? So you have account switching. Like if I want to switch to another of my accounts, you have delivery address management. Like I said, we're here to set up an account. So you will click on the second option, which is delivery address management. This second option, you tap it. Okay. So I have an app that I use in translating all these things. So these are three addresses that I already have there. So what I just want to do is I want to set up a new shipping address. Do you understand? Now, It is not hard. So first of all, let's translate this page. I use High Dictionary. So when you translate the page, it shows you that these are all delivery addresses. At the top right is called management, meaning that all the addresses I have, in case I want to edit them, remove them, or copy them, I'll show you how to do that. Then on this down part, you have create a delivery address. So I'm here to set up a new delivery address. Look at this reddish white. It is reddish, a long bar, and then white writings on it. This down, down, down. Yeah. So I'll tap it. So I want to set up an address. Remember, I copied an address from my notepad, so I'll just paste it here. Okay, so before I paste here, let me also, translate the page for you to see. The first line that you saw, autofill or automatic fill. So any address you have, you click on it, you paste it here. When you paste it here, you can click autofill. So it will automatically fill out the addresses you filled up, the information down. So you have the name, cell phone, area, then you have address, you have postcode, you have set a different address and then click. So I'll go back because I had to translate for you people to see. So I'll tap this first big line here. Like after this Chinese writing at the first line, this second one, where you have this small icon, I'll tap it, it says paste. So as I'm done pasting, I will now tap here. Can you see it's translating this after what I've pasted? Look at this small icon, automatic fill. So it means every address, everything I've filled up, it should fill it under. So you tap it, it has automatically filled it. Now, if you look at this first one, the first one says name. So this is not a name. So if you look at the address I brought, I said Bosede hyphen the number. Okay, so 20661. This is how I always like to do my name and my phone number as my name. Then the second one is the number is correct. Then the third one is the area where the store is. So it picked it up from the address I pasted here. Then the fourth one is the address. So I said I pasted the address here. So it automatically filled it for me, and also the instruction. I always give instruction. Once a shipper gives me like their shipping address, I always put an instruction that they should please fill my name and phone number on the package. So this one forgot to add it because you cannot add everything. So I'll use my hand to type my phone number that they are going to have to use. I don't want what I got versus what I ordered. Okay. Then this is the postal code, which is always in the address they sent to you. In fact, sometimes it might not be there. So the system will automatically help you put it. Then this last one is if I want to set it as default address. That's if I set a default address, what it means is I'll be using this address every time. Then this one, this big orange icon with white writing says save. So I'm done. I've gone through the addresses. It's not stressful, it's very easy. And I automatically save it. Yeah, it is saved. So can you see that this first address is already there? So anytime I want to buy, I can, use it and then buy. I hope it's easy. I want you to also try it out. If you have a Chinese shipping company address, you can just put it there. It's very easy, like it's not hard. It is very, very easy. Hmm? I hope you find this class helpful, and I hope you'll be able to do this after watching this video. So please look forward to me posting a video on how to set an address as a default address, how to edit the addresses you have in case you want to delete and do a couple of things. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.